We made a tutorial for the spot-free shower cleaner. The spot-free shower cleaner is designed for the maintenance of shower doors, windows, and walls. It can be used on glass, ceramic, porcelain, granite, quartz, mosaics, and metal. To use this cleaner, start with a clean, dry surface. Then shake well and spray directly onto the surface. This product is ideal for maintaining a clean shower, as it will prevent soap residue and water minerals from sticking on to shower features. It will keep faucets, door handles, glass, and tiles spotless and shiny even after several shower uses. Spread the cleaner evenly across the surface using a scrub pad or cloth. For this tutorial, we are using the FCS Solutions white scrub pad. Leave this to dry for 3 hours before allowing water to contact the surface. The spot-free shower cleaner forms a protective barrier to repel soap residue and minerals from water, which keeps surfaces spotless and clean. It allows water to glide on the surface, preventing soap and water minerals from sticking and staining. We use this cleaner on a few different glass surfaces to show how it instantly repels water, which prevents soap and water minerals from building up on glass. Watch how water glides right off of these surfaces after being treated with the spot-free shower cleaner. The spot-free shower cleaner helps keep your mirrors, showers, and glass cleaner for longer and cuts down on time needed to clean. No soap residue or minerals from water can stick onto the surface. The spot-free shower cleaner is easy to use, saves you time when it comes to cleaning, and maintains a fresh, clean look on every surface from mirrors to windows. To shop spot-free shower cleaner, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.